Hey guys, in today's video we'll be building an LED dancer. So for this we need a breadboard, few 220 ohm resistors, few LEDs, jumper cable, a sound sensor and an Arduino Uno. So the link to all these components will be down in the description box below. So first thing you need to do is take an LED and as you can see this is the positive and this is the negative terminal. So connect in such a way that the positive terminal is right here and the negative terminal is right here. Do that for a few more LEDs. So now let me take a blue LED and yeah, I did that. Now let me take a yellow and then a red. Now always remember there's a break right here in the breadboard, so should be careful. Let me now repeat it. So green, blue, and yellow. So let me put the yellow right here. Okay, now as you can see there's a break, so let's take a jumper cable and connect it from here to here. Now as you can see these are the positive terminals of your LED. So here you take a resistor and connect it from here to here, and to a closer look, if you see positive terminal, connect a resistor. Do that for all of the LEDs. Now as you can see the resistors are connected. So now I take the sound sensor. Now if you observe right here, I think, yeah, so there are 3 pins. One is VCC, one is output, and one is ground. So let me connect the sound sensor right here. Okay, or let me connect it this way. Now if you observe closely, the first pin is out, followed by ground and then VCC. So now let me take 3 jumper cables and connect it to each of the terminals. So I've connected 3 jumper wires, and you guys should keep a track of the terminals. Now for each resistor here and for each LED, connect a jumper wire again. Now after it's done, it does look a bit messy, but yeah, we'll look into the final output. Now take your Arduino board and connect the VCC pin to 5 volts, and then you have the ground pin, so connected to ground of the ground pin of Arduino, and the last one is an output pin, so connected to any pin you want, the analog or digital, but you have to define that in the code. I'll show you in a while. Now for the each resistor, again connect to the digital pins of the Arduino. Say I'm connecting from 8. As you can see, I've connected all the pins to the digital pins in the Arduino. Now let me turn it. As you can see right here, okay, there's one more left. Now everything's done. Now these part, the negative terminals of the LED should be connected to ground. So let me, instead of using the breaking point, I just take this and put it at the ground pin. So right now your circuit is ready. Let me repeat it once again. You connect the negative terminals here to the ground pin of the Arduino. The positive terminals of the LED to resistors, and each resistor take a jumper wire to the digital pins of the Arduino. Same goes with the sound sensor. It has 3 terminals, VCC, out and ground. Connect VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, and output to either the analog or digital bin, and define it in the code. Now let's have a look at the code.
So I'll tell you about this ID. It's Arduino. So if you haven't downloaded, you can go to Google and type Arduino and download and click on software. Then you can go down and choose your OS, so Windows 7 or Linux or Mac OS. So it's Windows, so you can click on Windows right here, and then it'll take you to the support the Arduino ID. You can just click just download, and you can download it in on your PC and install. I already have, so I'm not downloading. Now let me take you to the code. So as you can see, this is the LED dancer code. Let me explain the code to you once, and let me increase the font size to 16. Okay, so now you can see int sound sensor 3. So I've defined the sound sensor pin as 3, the output pin. Then I had 6 LEDs, so LED 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've connected them to digital pin 5 to 10. Now in void setup, the sound sensor is input because the sensor is taking the sound from the environment, and the LED is output because the LED is going to brighten up. So the LED is output, and pin mode is the function to define it. Now when I go into the loop, so first int sensor value digital read sound sensor. So first it will get the digital value of the sound sensor, and that will be your sensor value. Now after that, if sensor value equal to 1, so if the value is 1, then all the LEDs will be high, else all the LEDs will be low. So it's a simple code, and let us compile it. So compiling is done. Now we can upload the code. So so uh, let me go to tools. Let me board, and it's Arduino Uno. Go to port COM4, and now let me upload it. So it's uploading and done uploading. Now let's check the output of the LED dancer.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please do click the like button and do subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting the next video very soon. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.